Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric crossovers for 2025, the BYD Atto 3. This EV has captured attention with its mix of advanced tech, thoughtful design, and a competitive price point, starting at around $30,000, making it accessible without skimping on premium features. Let's start with what's under the hood. The Atto 3 packs a punch with its electric motor, delivering 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque. That power, combined with the instant torque from the electric setup, means smooth, quick acceleration that gets you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 7.5 seconds. For a family-friendly crossover, that's impressive. Plus, it's equipped with BYD's Blade battery technology, which has a stellar range of up to 260 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for city drives and weekend getaways. Now, moving to design, the Atto 3 has a modern, futuristic look with sleek LED lights and a streamlined front grille. Its flowing lines and compact dimensions help it feel agile and urban-friendly, while still offering enough presence to make a statement on the road. The sharp headlights and bold BYD logo create a memorable first impression. Step inside and you're greeted by a tech-forward interior that stands out in its class. The large 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen is one of the highlights, offering both landscape and portrait orientations for a more personalized experience. And let's talk about the materials. They're sustainably sourced, soft touch, and give off a premium vibe. There's also ample room for passengers, thanks to clever space utilization. In terms of cargo, the Atto 3 offers around 440 liters of boot space, enough for daily tasks and weekend trips. When it comes to safety, BYD didn't hold back. The Atto 3 comes standard with a suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, all of which add peace of mind on the road. One of the unique selling points here is BYD's commitment to efficiency without compromising on tech. The Atto 3's software is constantly upgradable, which means new features and optimizations can be added over time, keeping the car fresh and in line with the latest advancements. That wraps up today's review. Stay tuned with Auto Insider for more car reviews and insights. And here's today's bonus feature. The BYD Atto 3 also includes a vehicle-to-load function, meaning you can power your gadgets or even small appliances directly from the car. Whether you're camping or just in need of a power boost on the go, this feature adds a layer of convenience that makes the Atto 3 even more versatile. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates from Auto Insider. Catch you in the next review.